Hey Thor, what are you showing?
Don't call me Thor just because I got a hammer. Anyway, anyway, this is the titanium armorer's hammer. This is a 10-inch hammer.
Okay.
And one of our clients asked us, "Hey, can you make a precision hammer?" And I said, "What are you doing with it?" They said, "We can't tell you, but none of your business. But we need small," and that's always the default answer. But hey, we need something precision that could knock out pins, things like that. And I said, "You mean like a precision machinist hammer or tool and die maker's hammer?" And they said, "Yes." And I showed them some examples of one of our guys hammer that he built himself, and well, voila. I said, "Can you make some more?" So we went to our machine guy and said, "Hey, well, they're building tools for themselves." I said, "Make me a drawing and let's run a batch of these." So we did, and we have some extras. So this is all titanium, except for some of the heads. Let's talk about the heads.
Tell me about the heads.
Heads, this one here is steel.
Okay.
And it's hardened steel, Rockwell 59.
Oh, so it's a hard steel.
It's a hard steel. If you put your file across that, you will dull your file. Brass here.
Okay.
And the free turning brass, and this is a nylon on this side. So it comes with a couple extra heads. Of course, the ones that are going to wear out, which are the nylon and the brass. So get a set of those.
A set of spares.
Spare O-rings, which are underneath the. They're captured in there. So they give a little compression here when you screw it down.
That holds them tight.
Kind of holds them tight, so you know.
But you can still take them off pretty
easily.
easily.
You can use this for like I said, knocking out pins and things like that.
Okay.
Again, it's 10 inches long. The weight without the heads is 8.47 ounces. The brass head alone, right here, is this one here is 1.72 ounces, so it's pretty weighty. And that's the way it looks underneath.
Oh, great. Okay, so it's all countered down.
Yep. And then the steel head, which is this one here, that one weighs 1.55 ounces. And the nylon is 0.23, which is this one
so
here.
This would be kind of cool. So working on the MRI machine.
Well, yes, you could use it on an MRI machine. However, you'd have to make this non-magnetic.
Well,
and the way to make this non-magnetic is to remove the steel head. So some caution there.
So tell me about that. How do we remove that steel head?
Just take the head off, put it aside. Do not get that near an MRI machine.
Throw that away.
And then you can put either nylon back here or steel.
Or brass.
Or brass here.
Okay.
And there
now I have an MRI hammer.
Well, you could call it an MRI hammer, but
then I'd have to charge,
probably a lot more. Anyway, it's still pretty balanced there. I'm balancing it on my, there it is with the brass on the bottom here. But nice feel to it. This is all ball milled here. It's not rolled. Each one of these is divot is put in there with a ball mill. And let's see if we can zoom in on that. Yep, there you go.
It looks medical. Well, the guys that made it, I get it. I understand why. I'm sure you
could autoclave this. So, but there it is. It's used for sensitive work. Real precision work, I should say.
Overall length is 10 inches.
10 inches, right. Yep.
Okay, and you configure it what you want and where you want to put. I like the little on the tail cap, so you can just go in with a little tap if you needed to.
Exactly.
Or you need a little more power, then you got that.
Yeah, you could do that. Hey, I want brass, I want nylon, I want steel. So, of course, interchange all these here, and
it's kind of a make hammer.
There you go.
And so why is the steel black?
They just put a protective coating on there, like a bluing on there to keep it from. It's basically an antioxidant.
Oh, because it's so hard, it
could rust if it was sitting in storage a long time.
Okay.
So it just helps protect it. It's basically a blued material, and if you ground through that, it's going to be steel underneath. But if you put a file on this, it will dull your file. Wow. It will. It's very hard. So that is the Precision Armorer's Precision Hammer. Did I say precision twice? I said titanium armorer's precision hammer. There we go.
Okay.
Thanks for watching.